here. It's Monday. Just did a load of stone, but I worked on the truck over the weekend. I got my straps painted, painted the exhaust, painted that air tank down here, shined up the brass, scraped and wire brushed, then put extends rust stuff on the frame, and then primed it and painted it. That's kind of a primer and paint mix. I want to do it silver and painted these. My wheels cleaned and scraped them kind of, and they're a little dirty now again from just driving because it rained. So that's what happens. You can't stay clean forever. They say a clean truck or a dirty truck's a working truck. So, yep, man, I just had that all clean. But a little water. Rain really messes things up because it just makes everything, coats everything again. So yeah, there's my tape. I taped and did these straps over here, all down underneath. Did the battery box, did this tank, my oil tank, did the cap silver, and did the frame and wheels, tires. So I got a whole gallon of silver. I want to do the whole box, and got a bunch of new like special decals and stuff to go on it, and little reflectors. Whoops! Oh man. I just stopped and I can't spray paint, made it explode and started shooting paint. Alright, so that's about it. Buster Day, Lilac Fest in our city. All my flowers are blooming. The lilacs are on the, zoom right into 20 times. Wow, that's shaky. Get this off. I don't think you can see me. My little dog went with me today. She's been out hunting all hours. She found a little animal, probably a mouse or something, over at my neighbor's. Got to get some bags of mulch. There's a little mouse that lives over here underneath that rock. Bird feeders here. It's empty. Oh, it smells nice over here. What if this thing's in 4K? Doesn't look that high def. What do you see? Cleaned all this out, but it's all filled. There's got a long line of weeds there I gotta get down. These are all nice rose bushes. Berry bush. Weed, I think. I don't know, weed. I don't know what flower that is. And then this thistleberry bush, this little thing, and then this one here, a little ivy there. I gotta get rid of. It's coming in. I gotta get some more millings, and I just put this driveway in last year. It's not quite finished here, edging wise, and it's coming down a little bit. Little dog's going on a hunt again. Come on, Roo. Come here. Come on. If I call her, she thinks I see something. Guess that's it. There's a bunch of stuff I gotta burn over here. Little patio area. Come on, Roo.